Okay everyone, we're going to do a simple project today, and the drawing that we're going to do is going to be a bird. This is not going to be a complex drawing. It's going to be a very easy one for all ages and for beginners. And so we have a collection of colors here. I'm going to be using markers, and you can use crayons, you can use pencils, or anything of your liking. So we are going to draw a very simple bird, and then we're going to color it in once we're done drawing. So I think I'm going to start out by drawing the bird with the color brown. So let's go and remove these other colors. Okay. And I'm going to go and open up my brown marker. And let's get started. So to begin our bird, we want to go ahead and start in shaping the head. Just going to kind of draw almost what looks like a circle, and then stop right there. Doesn't have to be perfect, just do your best job. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw the body. So we're going to start right here and bring a little bit of a curved line down to the bottom right of the page and stop right there. Next, you're going to go ahead up here and we're going to bring another curved line, and we're going to join it right at the bottom where the other line was. All right? Now at the very bottom here, we want to draw the tail feathers of our bird. So we're going to draw what looks like almost a little triangle. Perfect. Okay. Now, at the very bottom here, let's go ahead and make the feet. So draw two little lines, just like that. Now, let's go ahead and make the toes. We're going to do three little lines underneath each of these legs. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's do the next one. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Can you start to see the bird forming now? Next, let's go ahead and make the eyes. Well, the eye. It's very easy. We're just going to do a little circle, and you can color it in. There's our eye. But what are we still missing? That's right. We're missing the mouth or the beak. All you need to do is do something else that looks like a little triangle. Here, bring it back in, and maybe let's put a little line here so you can kind of see the beak. Perfect. And we have our bird. Now, if you want to do a little bit extra, you can even maybe do the wing. So you can leave it right here, and if you want to get your crayons out or coloring pencils and fill it in, you can do that. Or if you want to add a little extra, you can do a little extra line that looks like the wing. Let me show you. You would start right here and bring another little curvy line coming down and join it right at the bottom here. See that? So you can almost see the wing on the top right shoulder. Okay? Well, I'm going to put my brown marker away. And what kind of color do you think we should make our bird? I love the color blue, so I think I'm going to do a blue. So, very easily, it's going to kind of bring in some blue color here. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, maybe make the tail feathers blue too. And then I'm going to add some blue to the body. Mm-hmm. There we go. All right. And just for fun, I think I'm going to make the head of my bird a different color. How about green? Green's a great color. All right. And one last thing, that beak. All right. Let's bring out the color orange and fill in that beak a little bit. Perfect. There you have it. Our completed bird. You can make different color variations and have fun with it. But there we go. The completion of our bird. See you next time.